Sugarcane, sugarcane, sugarcane. It's all about the sugarcane. Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you my sugarcane patch or row of sugar. But anyway, I just wanted today to show you and share the process of cleaning up my sugarcane. And if you're lucky, today I will also show you what I do with the good, bad, or ugly sugarcane. And here I have already started picking out some sugarcane that has been grown out of the patch or the row, so to speak. They're leaning out. So as I begin to clean out my sugarcane, you can see here some of the debris, some of the leaves that were removed from some of those canes a moment ago. But they were growing out. That is just one small portion. I would put it at maybe a 5% of what I will be pulling out so far. So by the time I'm done with this whole mess, you will see a whole lot more. But here it is, the beginning process of my sugarcane, and I hope you like this segment of sugarcane, sugarcane, sugarcane. It's all about the sugarcane. So for those of you who have not clear out or clean out the debris of sugarcane before, here's how it's done. So you can see here, there is a few sugarcane plant or cane that is straying away from the patch. The cause of this sugarcane slanting or leaning on the ground like this is a result of wind. Originally, all of my sugarcane were growing upward, but we at one point here in Stockton, California, had a powerful 30-40 mile per hour wind at one point here in the fall season of 2019. So that's why some of these sugarcane are slanting and falling onto the ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull it out. Let's see if you can see what I'm about to do. So simply put, you just yank it. Let's see, one. Nope, that won't work. Let's try another one. Ah, there we go. This one comes off just like that. So a little bit of yanking and pulling, that's all it takes to remove a sugarcane plant that is leaning on its side. You can see this one is crooked. Okay? It's not straight, it's not nice. What we want, although you can actually manage and keep this in good shape and continue to water and it will grow just fine for you, but I would love to have all of my sugarcane plant growing upward. One other word of advice is do not go head on indirectly with it. These leaves, they might look generous, but they do have some razory effect edges, and they can actually easily cut you just like you would feel like a paper cut. So before you dive in, as you can see, I now have just pulled out a few more, but I did it cautiously. So just a word of caution, just come in carefully with this plant because it will defend itself, so to speak. Next, after you pull out all the leaning crooked plants, you want to go in again cautiously and find leaves that are dried up, like this one for example. All you have to do is place your finger in between the leaves and the cane or stem itself, like so, and run your finger down just like that. And as you can see, the leaves just basically, I'm just doing this one for you to see, it just comes off easily with very little effort. One more time, find a leaf that you want to get rid of. This one is greener than that one. Let's see again, going between with my hand, my fingers, between the cane and the leaves. Just bring your finger down like so. As you can see, with this one, it's not as dry, so it will require a little effort. So what you want to do is use your thumb. Here is a little nodule, and what you do is with the thumb, you hold and scrape that piece off. I hope you can see, just like that. Watch what I'm doing. Okay, and now you squeeze it a little with your thumb and roll it around. As you can see, it came off just like that. That requires a little more effort than the dry one, but it's really simple to remove sugarcane leaves. One more time here. These are drier, so watch what I'm doing. Finger roll, you can see, it came off easily. One more time with the one on the bottom. There we go again. Alright, so that's how you remove and clear off dead sugarcane leaves from the cane of the sugarcane plant. So here, after peeling out the dead leaves, you can see it's much cleaner. All of the cane are revealed nicely, and that's what we want to get when we clean out the cane patch, the sugar cane patch. Alright, and I do this 2-3 times a year. Whenever there's abundance of these dead leaves, that is the time when I start clearing them out. So I would say maybe one time in the spring or summer, and then another time in the fall. And of course I leave it alone during the winter season. So there you go, almost 2 hours of work. Whew, it is a lot of work, I'll tell you, no joke. I finished about maybe 50% of what I have already. So I'm looking at about another hour or so to get the whole entire patches done. So there is the remaining sugarcane. So, man, it is a lot of work. Here we go again. The sugarcane plant has been cleared up. There's the pile of leaves that were obtained from clearing and cleaning the sugarcane. And thanks to Andrew, who's been very helpful at gathering the dead leaves. So I would say we have maybe about 10% more, and then we'll be done with clearing and cleaning up the debris and the dead leaves of the sugarcane. So there's my great helper. So there we go. We are now at the end of the cleaning or clearing of the dead leaves of the sugarcane in this sugarcane patch. And as you can see, simply pull, tug, push that little way. You can see that will help clean and clear this off. And what we want to do again is to make sure that the sugarcane plant is growing upward, not sideways, and then provide some additional beneficial air circulation. So this is it. I'm pretty much gonna declare that for this round I am done. So thank you very much again for joining me in this process. So if you have learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here we go. Good. After a few hours, I have completed cleaning my sugar cane, as you can see in the background there. It is now tidied up, and here are some end of the sugar cane that I have removed. These will go in the mulcher, and then over here is a pile of sugar canes that I have broken the end part for mulching. There you go. And then these right here are for juicing. So yeah, day's work. And thanks to Andrew's help, we managed to clean up the backyard nicely. Okay, and then the all of the sugarcane has been clear out. Very nice. Good job, Andrew.
Thank you.
Sugarcane, sugarcane, sugarcane. It's all about the sugarcane. So hi, I just wanted to share after cleaning out the sugarcane patch. I have my juicer, and I've already washed my sugarcane. What I want to share with you is so it looks like this. There's a piece of cut off sugarcane, and what you do is after you wash it, you don't need to scrape off or peel off the outer hard part of the sugarcane. All you have to do is cut it in half, just like that. And what you do with that is you have your sugarcane juicer. You run it through it. I'm not going to go into a demonstration, just to give you an idea, a quick idea. Maybe I'll do another video about this later on. But you can see here, you need a little bit of a elbow grease, so to speak. Okay, so there we go. You move the wheel, and then you can see this flattened piece of sugarcane falling out of the machine as you spin the wheel. What you do is you leave that alone for now. Take the other half, and you basically just run it through one more time. I like to run the two halves one after another. This way, what you have again, the second half a moment ago, you place it on top of one another. There's still juice in here, so that's the important thing. You want to make sure that you run it one more time at least to get the most of the juice in the sugar cane. Once again, flatten together, squeeze in a bit, and just let it start the spinning wheel. And once you do, as you can see, it's exiting the sugarcane machine juicer. So now I have these residues, these excess, these, unlikable, not edible piece of sugarcane. Now, what do I do with it? I actually have a bucket here that I've started already before I start this video for you. But basically, this is it. You have this. This is good for mulching. It's good for composting. It will break away. It will go back into your garden. So that is it. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of what that looks like. Before I say goodbye in this video, here's the juice. Okay, after you juice, there's a little faucet that you can actually turn and then get all of the hard work, your elbow grease and the cleaning and clearing of the sugarcane patch, and that's it. And then you can just help yourself. So basically, again, help yourself with a delicious cup. I'm not gonna have too much. It's, again, sugar water, basically. You can dilute it with some water or add some ice to make it less sweetened, but just a little bit. There you go. Sweet and delicious. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a good day.